Great. Good afternoon, guys. So in the previous class, we discussed a program to reverse the pairs in the dict, right? To reverse the pairs, okay? To reverse the pairs in the dicta. Okay. Now let's go for a new one. That is, suppose there is a list. In the list, there are some elements are there. There are some unique and duplicate elements are there, right? Now I want delete all unique duplicate elements, guys, right? For that one, we write a program, okay, to fetch all unique numbers from the list. Unique numbers or unique elements from the list. Okay, let me take the unique elements from the list, right? So here there is a default function called the set of lst, right? Now let me print it. It will print all unique elements. The set allows all unique elements, right? But output in the set format. But I want list format. So simply this one I can convert into list so that the set converts into list. Output will come. That's fine. We got all unique elements, right? This is the one way by using the set function and the list conversion. Without using set function, how to do it? Without using set function, let us try. So we'll take a new list, guys, a new list, empty list. Now for I in LST, right? Now what's first time I value? First time I value is 10. That 10, I will check is it available in the LST1 or not. If it is available, then don't append. If it's not available, append to the list one. Okay. So I'll check now. If not in LST1, if not available, I is not available in the LST1, then for the LST1, for this new list, I'm appending the which one is I, appending the I, right? So now let me go and print it. Print of LST1, you can see, right? Same output came here, all of you. So let's see execution flow. What's first time? I value, guys. First time I value 10. Now the 10 not in the list one, true or false? The 10 not in the list one, true or false? Yes, it is true. The 10 not in the list one, right? Not available. So it is true. If it is true, then that 10 that I means 10 append to what here? LST1. Right now it's empty list, right? For empty list, this 10 is appending. That's all. So in the first iteration, the output is the list contains the 10. Next iteration, what is the I value? 20 coming, right? 20 coming. Then if 20 not in the list one, if 20, I means 20, right? If 20 not in the list one, true or false? It's true. Why? The list one right now only 10 is there. 20 is not there, right? Is the list one. We don't compare this one now. We compare this one here, right? We check here. The list one, okay, list one has no 20, so it is true. If it is true, then the 20 add to the list one. Already what is there? 10 is there. For that one, this 20 appending over, right? Next iteration, what's I value? I value 10. Right? I value 10, guys, now. If I not in the LST1, in the LST1, I is not available. True or false? False. Why? It's available, right? So now if is the false, if is the false, then no appending, right? So the same previous list is there, no appending here. Take the next one. What next I value? Next I value is 20, right? The 20 not in the LST1, true or false? It's false. Why? Because 20 is available, right? So it's false. False means no appending. Again here. But next one, 30 is coming. So I value 30, right? So 30 not in the list one. List one 30 is not there. Yes, it is true. It's not there, right? It is true. If it is true, then the 30 append, right? The 30 for already 10 is there, 20 is there. For that one, is 30 appending. 30 appending, guys. Right. Next, any other I value? No other I value. All are over, right? Then at last, after all loops over, I print the LST1. At the end of the all loops, what is the LST1 value? 10, 20, 30. That's what displaying, right? That's what displaying, guys, here. Okay, so this is the first iteration. Then second iteration appended. Third iteration condition is failed, so no appending. Fourth iteration condition is failed, no appending. Fifth iteration condition is true, appending. After all iterations over, the final value displaying. What's final value? 10, 20, 30, which are not having the duplicate values, which are having only unique values, guys, right? Unique values. Okay. Right. Thanks so much, all of you guys. Bye.